everyone, welcome back to Art with Joshi. Now today you will see so many of pebbles around. What we are gonna do? Yes, we're gonna learn pebble art. We learn how to paint these pebbles. Now these pebbles are very easily available in the market, for which we require acrylic colors. We have to do the painting with the acrylic colors. You can use these acrylic colors or you can use these, any kind of acrylic colors you can use. You need brush, some clear water and a rough cloth, and of course you remember mixing palette. Yes, okay, so I'm taking this first pebble. The first step is that we have to color the pebble with the white color. Okay, so just wet your brush a little, take out the white color, and you have to fully paint your pebble with the white color. Okay, that's the first step. Now after you do that, what we will do is the first step has to be like we'll paint it, the whole pebble with white color, and we will let it dry. And the next step will be we'll make a drawing on it, and then we have to color it with the acrylic colors itself. So paint it fully so that it gives a nice effect. You can also leave the back area if you want, but if you paint it, you will. Okay, now I've already painted it and I have to leave it to dry. Okay, now my paint is dry and I will make an emoji on it. Okay, I am using a marker directly. You can first make it with pencil if you want, but as it is, whatever you want. So I am making a circle. You can make any kind of an emoji. One big eye, one small eye, anything of that sort you can create. Right? I will make one more circle inside it. And one here. And I will make smile, a tongue coming out of his mouth, just for fun. Okay, and we'll make some eyebrows. So you can make anything of that sort. And this is a very simple one. What we will do is we'll color it with yellow color and some orange colors for the face. So take out your yellow color. If you have, you can just take out some yellow color in your palette, mix a little bit of water and just paint it. I have taken out the yellow color. Now with this thin brush, I'll just mix a little bit of water here and I will paint this whole area with the yellow color. So why we did white color first? The only reason is with the white color, whenever we do any other color on the stone, the colors are very easily and clearly visible. So that's why we did that. Now do it very patiently. Just keep coloring it and don't be in a hurry to finish it. Okay, it's a very simple one. You all can create it beautifully. You can even color the whole area yellow. You can use some shades also. You can do anything. Okay, and these are acrylic colors, so you have to be sure that you don't mess with the area around and you don't spill the colors. Okay, so it's a very simple one and you can just color it neatly and nicely. Right, so right now I'm using this lemon yellow color for my emoji. You can always use these stones for decoration at home. You can use them as paperweights. So there are many things which we can do, and we have to paint it properly. See, make sure that you paint it neatly and nicely. So these stones are abrupt, so it doesn't matter, it's just we have to paint them beautifully. So how is it looking? I think you will enjoy making it. That's the very simple one. I will share one more with you where we can create a landscape. You can do anything on it, okay? You can make a bird, a butterfly, anything. So our yellow color is through. Wash your brush. Now remember, you have to always wash your brush and then use the next color. Now I am using a red color to color the tongue. Always wipe your brush, like I am using this red color to make the tongue, and you have to do it patiently because your yellow color was still wet. So just wait it patiently, and then we will be creating this sweet little emoji. Right, now what we will do is I will just fill the black color here in the eye little bit, and then we'll make a drop of white color on it. I'm just filling it properly. Okay. And remember to close your acrylic colors as and when you have done it, because they dry up too fast. Okay, now wash your brush. Whenever you are using a white color, it's very important you wash your brush neatly, nicely, and then we will be okay. I have just dipped my color. What I'll do is I'll just make a drop, a dot in between. Oh, my color. So if this kind of something happens, then what we will do is we will just wipe it off with a cloth. Right, what I have done is, because my brush had a lot of water, so it spilled. So it's acrylic color, we can just wipe it off with cloth. Okay, this is what I have done. Now again we'll take more of color and we'll just make a dot in the eye, and our sweet little emoji is ready. So how do you feel? You want me to make some hairs of it, or let us leave it like this? I think we'll leave it like this. Do create it and share the images with us, and in case you have still not subscribed the channel, do subscribe it and do like it. Hope you all enjoyed making it. Stay safe, stay happy, take care everyone.